Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Skip Cart widget so you can create a faster, smoother, and more streamlined shopping experience for your customers. All right, let's dive in. Accessing the widget. To access the Skip Cart widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Theme Settings, select Free Widgets, and toggle on Skip Cart to enable it. How it works. The Skip Cart widget simplifies the checkout process by sending customers directly to the checkout page after they click Add to Cart. This means the cart page or cart drawer won't appear, helping your shoppers complete their purchase with fewer steps. And that's it! You've successfully set up the Skip Cart widget and made your store's shopping experience even more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.